Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to use Teta CMS. Teta CMS is already integrated by default within our builder as opposed to the Supabase database. All you will need is to click on this icon. As you can see, you can create a new collection. Let's now give it a name and confirm. Perfect! We are now able to create new documents within our collection. Each document will be seen as if it were a database line. Let's give our document a name and choose which attributes to give it. For instance, let's add the key name with its value Alex, the key surname and its value White, and finally a key image. Its value will be a random picture from unsplash.com. It is advised that the same data structure created for the first document be kept. Once it has been created, let's add the CMS widget fetch. Let's now choose our new collection from the drop-down menu and pick the limit of attributes to take and tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!